Wait, before you even think about posting your next piece of content, let me check your profile right now. If I see this one thing, your brand is guaranteed to be dead in 90 days. I'm serious. It is a slow, silent killer that most creators never realize they have until their content is getting zero traction and their client pipeline is bone dry. So, before you build a personal brand,
think twice, Tony.
all right, the one thing I'm talking about? It's brand ambiguity. It is the generalist trap. You look like you can do everything for everyone, which translates to, I can do nothing for no one. You have an identity crisis, and it is costing you thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours. This is why you are spinning your wheels. The good news is, by the end of this video, you will have the 3-step blueprint to fix this crisis and build a brand that actually attracts followers, clients, and authority. Phase 1 is diagnosing the killer crisis. We have 3 telltale signs. Sign number 1, the vague bio syndrome. Your bio reads something like, I help people grow and live their best life, or I'm a content creator and entrepreneur. Look, those are feel-good words, but they are functionally useless. When someone lands on your page, they are looking for a specific transformation, not a generic philosophy. A vague bio instantly signals that you don't know who you serve. Crisis sign number 2, the content whiplash. This is when your feed is all over the place. One day you're talking about fitness motivation, the next complex real estate investing strategies, and Friday a tutorial on dog grooming. Your viewer lands on one great piece, but they ask themselves, what exactly do I subscribe for? You confuse the audience, and confused viewers always click away. They can't categorize you, so they ignore you. And the final killer sign, the audience of crickets. You might be getting decent views, but zero engagement, and certainly zero sales. Why? Because your content is too broad to solve a specific, painful problem. General advice generates scrolling. Painful problems drive action and conversion. If you're talking about general happiness, nobody pays. If you're talking about how to fix a broken sales funnel that's costing them $10K a month, they pay attention. All right, let's fix it. Phase 2 is deploying the 3 pillars of identity clarity. Pillar 1 is the one-sentence specialist statement. This is your niche filter. Most people are afraid of niching down, believing it limits opportunity. It doesn't. It concentrates your power. You need to stop being a generalist and start being the undeniable authority on one specific thing. Here is the actionable formula. I help specific audience achieve specific desired outcome through unique mechanism or skill set. Let's contrast this. Instead of I do business coaching, try I help mid-career corporate refugees launch their first profitable side hustle using LinkedIn automation. Notice the difference? We defined the who, the what, and the how. You instantly know if you belong here. Take 30 seconds right now and mentally try to fill out that formula for yourself. Pillar 2, the core conflict and enemy identification. Every great brand needs a villain. Who or what are you fighting against? This is critical because fighting a common enemy builds a tribe faster than just sharing tips. Are you fighting the toxic 9-to-5 grind? Are you fighting overly complicated SEO software? Maybe you're fighting sleazy bro marketing tactics. Identify the one thing you passionately disagree with and structure your content around defeating it. It gives you instant passion and instant relatability. Pillar 3, the platform personality layer. Identity isn't just about what you do, but how you show up. You need a vibe check. Are you casual, direct, and data-driven, or maybe witty, chaotic, and relatable? Choose 3 descriptive adjectives for your brand. This determines your colors, your editing pace, and your tone. If your personality is witty and chaotic, but your videos are slow, monotone, and corporate, you have personality conflict. Match your visual aesthetic to your chosen vibe. Consistency here is non-negotiable. Now for the execution. Phase 3, the 90-day execution blueprint. This is where we burn the ships and commit fully. Weeks 1 and 2, audit and burn the ships. Look at your last 10 pieces of content. Do they fit your new specialist statement? If not, archive them. Don't hide them, archive them. You are signaling to the algorithm and your audience that the old ambiguous you is dead. Rewrite every single bio, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, using your new specialist formula. Commit. Weeks 3 through 6, content concentration. For this month, 80% of your content must focus strictly on the intersection of your expertise and your core conflict. Solve one major pain point for your niche repeatedly, but from different angles. Instead of "here 5 business tips," try why most people fail to transition from corporate life and the specific lie your boss tells you. Use "why you shouldn't" or "the myth of" style headlines to directly target the enemy we identified earlier. Weeks 7 through 12, the feedback loop and calibration. By now, you should have content performing, but you need data. Start asking your audience direct, specific questions related to your niche. Not "what are you struggling with," but "what's the hardest part about automating your LinkedIn workflow?" Analyze which focused content is generating the highest engagement and conversion. Double down on those top 20% performers. Use those data points to slightly refine your specialist statement if necessary. This keeps your brand sharp and relevant. So that is the fix. You fix the identity crisis by defining the 3 pillars: your specialist statement, your core conflict, and your platform personality. You move from being an invisible generalist to an undeniable specialist who attracts exactly the right people. If you ignore this identity crisis, those 90 days will genuinely be a countdown to irrelevance. But if you apply this framework, 90 days is all it takes to build real, targeted momentum. I have a challenge for you. In the comments right now, share your new one-sentence specialist statement using the formula we discussed. I will personally review a few of them and give feedback. And if you want more casual, direct blueprints on how to actually grow your brand, hit subscribe. Now go build your authority.